Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of generally modest and uninspiring economic data. We start today with updates from China. Their April CPI came in 0.3% higher than a year ago. Low, but not as low as expected, and not deflation yet, which they had from October to January. In the circumstances, they'll probably be okay with this. But both beef and lamb prices fell, and quite sharply, and not only from a year ago, but from March as well. Milk prices fell as well, although by lesser amounts. Meanwhile, Chinese producer prices fell, and at a slightly faster rate than the 2.3% expected, down 2.5% from a year ago. Also much lower than expected is new bank lending. This activity was far less than in March, and far less than what was expected. Chinese foreign direct investment fell also, and fell a sharp 56% in the year in the first quarter of 2024, according to official data. And the coming week will bring in updates on China's industrial production, retail sales, fixed asset investment and house price index, and their unemployment rate for April. None of these are expected to show anything but modest changes or real improvements. Across the Pacific in the US, the widely watched Consumer Sentiment Survey by the University of Michigan also fell in May, and by more than expected. And Canada reported its best jobs report in April since the start of 2023, with an increase of 90,000 new jobs, with a broad-based rise. The price of gold will start today down $8 from Saturday at $2,360 an ounce, and oil prices have fallen slightly to be just under $78 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $82.50 a barrel. But these are both the same levels of a week ago. And the Kiwi dollar starts today little change from Saturday at just under 60.2 US cents. A week ago was exactly the same level. Against the Aussie, we're also unchanged at 91.1 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 55.9 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index starts today at just under 69.6, unchanged from Saturday, of course, but marginally firmer from a week ago. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.